Hello, ladies. So today we are going to be playing with Nail Career Education's kit. Susie, you all know her. A lot of you guys watch her. A friend of mine sent this to me as a gift, and she said, YouTube it up. She said, I want to find out if she's full of crap. So I looked up the monomer. This is supposed to be the odorless monomer, the clean acrylic monomer. And I looked it up, the instructions, it's still sealed, and it says that it's basically the same as Nail Supply Glamour. It's very slow setting. It says when it is set to either run it under warm water to disperse that layer or file it off or roll it off, whatever. So I'm guessing it's exactly the same. Sounds exactly the same. This bottle is really weird. It's like an old 80s cologne bottle. It's kind of, it looks like it kind of melted a little bit, but yeah, so we're gonna check this stuff out. She also got some of the acrylic. We have pink tint, which is like a sheer pink. We have foundation pink, which is a cover pink. Then we have, what is that? Soft white and clear cap. So we're gonna be checking all these out. It also came with a file. It's kind of random. Julia Mia is the brand that makes all of this. They're the manufacturers, and then she put her brand on it. So it said it's odorless, and it's got this little stopper in it. We're trying a new angle today. If I can get this out. I don't know why I'm trying to use my nails. I know they'll just pop right off. Get out of it. What is this? Jesus. Oh, it's so it doesn't leak, which, okay, that's cool. But this bottle is so heavy. It's 4 ounces of monomer. This thing weighs like 1.5 pounds. My table's marble. Yeah. So we're gonna try out all the colors. We're gonna try it with our monomer, and then we are gonna file it off and see, see how hard it is to get off. And it says it's non-yellowing, and it says it's odorless, and we're gonna sniff it. We're gonna sniff it a lot. We're gonna sniff the crap out of it. We're gonna see how long it actually takes. You guys are gonna time it. I'm not gonna put acetone in it because I wanna find out how long it actually takes. And someone commented on my last odorless monomer video and said that it doesn't actually take as long as I thought. That tacky layer makes you think it's wet because you can still like leave marks in it and stuff. It'll make you think that it's wet when it's really not. So to tap it with, a brush or wooden stick or cuticle pusher or whatever, and if it makes a noise, it's done. So we are going to check it that way. That way we're not sitting here forever like last time because, I don't want to be wrong. So we're gonna try it this way. I didn't know how much this kit cost. I looked it up. I was a little upset. My friend should not have purchased this, LeeAnn. It was like $100 for these 4 jars of acrylic and the 4 ounces of monomer, which I think is a bit much. I don't know. That's just, I don't know. That's just me. I guess it's really not, because what are these, 2-ounce jars? Are they 2-ounce jars? Yeah, so they're 2-ounce jars, which are typically between 15 and 20 anywhere else. So I guess that's not too bad. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. I am going to be using my Chiarosky brush because we are going to see if anything sticks in it, which I fully expect it to because this odorless monomer, that layer that sticks to it also sticks in the brush. So you got to be careful to clean it when you're done. I don't know what the deal is with the file. Oh, it's like weird clear bug season in South Dakota, and they're really getting on my nerves. So, okay, let's get our brush nice and wet. Let's start with the clear. Let's find out how clear it is, right? Because that's important. And if that sticky layer or whatever on the odorless monomer makes it not as clear, we want to know, right? I need to do my nails, but I have been working in the yard a lot, and it's just like, haven't got around to it. I am way past due. It has that same kind of cornstarch consistency that that the Nail Supply Glamour one had. Anyway, I don't know what the proper etiquette is for one YouTuber reviewing another YouTuber. Of course, I'm not anywhere near her level, but you know, I don't know what the rules are for that, or if there's like a process or an etiquette to be followed, or you know what's polite. I don't know, so I'm just gonna do what I always do, and you know, hope for the best, I guess. All right, so we got some clear going here. It's foggy, but they always are at first. We are going to, where are we gonna put these? Let's put these here. We'll put them over there. All right, next we are gonna start with the soft white, which I assume is like a milky white, or maybe, oh no, that's white. Okay. So it's like your typical French pink and white. It's not soft, it's pretty opaque. It's kind of, it looks a lot like the super white from Valentino. It's that white. Now, this isn't, okay. So the white doesn't beat up great. It's like very sticky. But, you know, it's white. We don't judge by the whites. And the white will help us judge whether or not it yellows. And we'll see how bad the brush looks at the end. But again, I do expect some, you know, some of the acrylic to be on the brush just because of that, that sticky layer. You can kind of see it. Although I will say the Kiara Sky brush is one of the best about sticking acrylic. Like, it just kicks it right off, usually. It's a lot easier to clean than a lot of my brushes. All right, and this is the foundation pink or cover pink, whatever you want to call it. She calls it foundation pink. It's got a very peachy tint to it. I kind of want to, I'm going to try these with regular monomer too. It says that her odorless monomer works best with her acrylic. I want to see if it works, or yeah, I want to see how it works with regular monomer. Just because I got it here, why not? All right. Stay where I put you. How's everybody doing tonight? Hopefully everyone is well. Hopefully summer's not beating you up the way it is me. Oh, I'm gonna be doing the tropics haul this week. I got some stuff going on. I'm gonna try and kind of remodel my nail room to make it look more like mine, not this weird aqua paint that was in here when we moved in. I'm gonna like do it in pink and blue, you know. I was thinking like a dusty pink with like one blue accent wall and then some blue shelves on the other walls just to kind of, you know, make it my own, if you will. Ooh, I think I'm gonna record it too. I'm gonna show you guys the swatches that I got. I'm having a hard time because there's like 5,000 pinks and I love them all. And of course there are 5 million blues and I love them all. So what do, you know? I can't do all of them. Maybe I do like a checkerboard thing and do all the pinks and blues. I could do that. That would be a little much though. This is for an adult. But as an adult, I can do whatever I want, so, I don't know. It's my right as an adult who pays the bills to do whatever I want. Okay. So what are we at? Like 10 minutes or so? Ooh. Get up there. Stay. It does have a yellow tint to it. That's before filing though. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a slight yellow tint. I haven't filed that layer off yet though, so. Now, like I said, it's not truly odorless. It's got kind of a, I don't know what that smell is. It smells like old rainwater, maybe? I don't know. It's weird. Different, for sure. All right, so while that sets, let's try this with some regular monomer. Let's try Kira Sky is what I got in here, I think. Yeah, let's do that. Which one? Let's try the pink and the clear. Yeah. Or white and clear. I don't know. Let's do white. Ooh, that's that's interesting. Let's see if it's still yellow, because I know the Kira Sky monomer does not yellow at all. So let's see if it's still yellow without that layer from the monomer. Get on there. Oof. There we go. There we go, I'm getting the hang of it. That is pretty sticky though. I don't know what was up with that bead. Yeah, it's... Okay. All right, oh, stay. Stop it. All right, let's try the clear. I wanna see if it's yellow. Or clear, I guess. Yeah. We're gonna do a thin layer and then we are gonna check on those swatch sticks and file it off, or, you know. Yeah, we're gonna file one of them off, probably the clear, because I wanna see how clear it came out. So she gave a little more information on her website about that sticky layer. She said that's what makes it odorless. Something about that sticky layer is what keeps the odor out of it, which now I'm curious and I'm gonna start digging around. So I wanna know how the sticky, you know, I wanna know. Kind of smells like my grandma's, the monomer kind of smells like my grandma's old muscle rub. Not as strong, but like it's got that like spearmint kind of, I don't know, ointment smell. It's not odorless, but you really can't, like you wouldn't notice the smell. You wouldn't, not the way you do monomer. It's more like, I don't know, like an old closet, I guess. I don't know. You wouldn't like, it wouldn't offend anybody. It's kind of like when you get in a car after the windows have been closed. It's not offensive, it's just a different smell. And it's not strong, so, you know. All right, we'll leave that sit. Now, let's check these out. Let's get a cuticle thingamajigger. Yep, it's done. But it doesn't, look, it doesn't feel done, and this was the mistake I made last time. This one. See, you can still leave marks on it and it looks wet here. But it appears to be set. So this one I think was about 10 minutes. this one has been setting for 15. So let's take the white and the clear. I don't know what happened here, but this one got hips. She thick. All right. Now we are going to file. File. I prefer to use the sanding bands with the odorless monomer just because you can throw them away. See how, here, let me show you how, see the difference how yellow that is? And I'm pretty sure it's just the sticky layer, but we'll find out. Think I got it all? All right, we're gonna do the clear one too. I wanna see how clear it is. I'm not even really concerned about the yellow with this one. I just wanna see how clear it comes out. Or if there's bubbles or... Now granted, this is just for practice, so that's not really a huge concern, but I mean, it says non-yellowing clear, so it should be clear. All right, so for the clear, obviously, I gotta buff it a little bit, you know. Do the acetone thing, get all the scratches off. Ooh. This one too. All right. And then we will compare those whites. And the clear to the other clear. Ugh. Yeah. I mean, okay. Let me just say I got no beef with Susie, all right? So it's completely filed off on this one. You can kind of see the yellowing on this one is still there. It's not as bad once I filed that layer off, but you can definitely see how yellow it is compared to that one. Same thing with the white. It's not super noticeable, but I am looking for it so I can see it. Yeah. So all in all, I like the acrylic. The acrylic is nice. The monomer does yellow. Like that's, it does yellow. And I got, you know, I got pretty far through that. That's not just the sticky layer. It's yellow. Same with this one. It's just, yeah. Although with the Nail Supply Glamour one, it did have that yellow tint, but when I filed it off, it was gone. So do with that what you will. Let's check out our brush. Yeah, it's got that layer in it, which I fully expect from odorless monomer. That's okay. That comes right off when you clean it. Give it a little shimmy and it rolls off. There you go. So all in all, I don't know. I don't know. This one's kind of you know, I don't know. Would I buy it again? No, I wouldn't. Just because, I guess maybe it's just because I don't have the use for odorless monomer. Like this would be off-putting for me. It did only take 10 minutes to set, so that's awesome as far as odorless monomer. It's not as slow setting as I thought the other stuff was. And you really can't see it unless you're looking for it. So if odorless monomer is something that you need, that is definitely an option. It does set faster, but it is more expensive. So, you know, my takeaway is it's a perfectly okay product. Lovely packaging. It's very pretty, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this one. You guys let me know what you think in the comments, okay?